Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Streamlabs on Android in 2025. First of all, you have to do is open Google Play Store on your phone and type in Streamlabs on the search and you will be able to see this application. Simply click on Install button to install the application. Once installed, simply click on Open button. You will be able to see this kind of interface. Now you can sign in with Streamlabs ID. Simply create an account. Once the account has been created, you will see this kind of interface. Now you have so many options. Go live, you have mute option, you have flip camera option, you have much more options. Now what we have to do is set up our stream dashboard. Now what you have to do is click on the hamburger menu, which is on the top left corner. Then you have to go to the streaming settings and then go to the video settings. Here you can select the output resolution. If your internet connection is slow, then you can set it to 480 or 720. If you have good internet connection, then you can set it to 1080 depending upon your internet connection. And if you're gaming, then 60 or 120 FPS is good for gaming to show. But if you just want to talk to a camera, just like stream talking and just talking to your audience, then 30 FPS is good. The max video bitrate is the video quality. The higher you set the bitrate, the higher the quality, but it will also take or consume more internet and it needs a faster connection. If you have a slow internet connection or just medium connection, then you can lower the bitrate. I will suggest you to keep it between 4,000 and 5,000, maybe 4,500. So if you're a premium user, then you can also enable the disconnect protection. For some reason, if internet connection goes for maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, if you're offline, if you're having some problem with your internet connection, disconnect protection option will help you stay online or stay live without ending your live streaming. So in order to use this option, you have to join the Ultra. Then you can also go back again to streaming settings and then go to the platform settings. Here you have Twitch settings or YouTube settings. For instance, if you want to go live on YouTube, then you have to select YouTube settings. Set how long to keep the chat visible after a new message. Maybe 3 settings, or maybe if you want to never hide the chat, you can select this option as well. Once you're done, you can go back to the main homepage and then click on Go Live and then click on the plus button. Here you have to add platform. If you want to go live on Twitch, you can select Twitch, Facebook, TikTok. But if you want to go live with YouTube, you can select YouTube and turn on the option and click on next. Select the resolution. I will set it to 60 FPS. 4500 is the bitrate. Give a stream title. You can also upload a YouTube thumbnail, which is optional, which will be your live stream thumbnail. After you're done, simply click on Go Live. As you can see, my live streaming is not available right now on YouTube. I'm not eligible to live stream on YouTube, but if you're eligible, then you will be easily able to go live with this option. So that's simply how you can use Streamlabs on Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.